Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to put two videos on one screen in CapCut. Now, let's open up the CapCut app and just tap on New Project. The first way to do it is we're going to choose the first video and then we'll add the second video after the fact. So let's first just choose this video as I want to add that one and hit Add. Now, after I've done that, here is the video. You can see I can swipe over. I want to set the aspect ratio of what I want the video to be. And in this case, I'm going to choose a YouTube aspect ratio. So at the very bottom, make sure this is not selected. So if it is selected, just tap on it to unselect it. And at the very bottom, let's swipe over until we find, there it is, aspect ratio. Tap on that. Now, in this case, I want to choose the aspect ratio 16:9, which is YouTube. And you can see it rearranges this so that it is a 16:9. I can use my finger and let's say I want to put this on the left-hand side of this video. So as I swipe through here and play this video, it's only on the left-hand side of that video. Now, we've set this up. Now let's add the other video to play alongside of it. So tap on the little check mark here. And again, if you have this video selected and it's highlighted in white, make sure to tap on it again so it is not selected. And then at the very bottom, we're going to swipe over until you get to overlay and tap on that. And then let's hit the add overlay. And in this case, I'm going to choose this video and hit add. You'll be able to see it adds this other video. Again, I can take my finger and swipe over and just have it be in the portion on the right. Keep in mind, always the overlay video will be on top of the other one. So it will overlay the other video. If you wanted it the other way around, where this video is behind this one, you'd have to add it first. But essentially, I can just pinch this to wherever I want it. And now if I swipe over, you'll be able to see it plays both videos at the exact same time. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.